Hey, it's Mrs. Golding. Yeah, I'm a little, a little more on the rough side today. Glasses, and I don't even know what to do with myself. Quarantine is just one, right? That's all we're saying. But hey, we're in 7.5 in your packet, page 557, 567, 18 through 20. Now look at this, guys. These problems, I imagined when you were working on these might be the ones that you're like, I don't know what to do. But these are not as bad as you think. So remember, we're going to use our inverse operations to solve for the variable. But we got to look at what this is actually saying. This is saying something divided by 2/10 is 7. And we know we can switch that around, and we could say we need to undo division with multiplication. So we say this: 2/10 of means multiply, of 7 is C. 2/10 of 7 is C. So how do you find 2/10 of 7? Well, what's 1/10 of 7? 2/10 of 7. What do you think? Another way to think about it is we're just multiplying here, right? Of means multiply. What's 2 times 7? 14. We have a decimal point here, so I imagine you could probably do this in your head without writing anything down. Our answer is going to be 1.4, but you have to say C is equal to 1.4, right? This one, number 19, looks hard also. We'd have to multiply 12 times 0.25, and you could absolutely do this. 12 times 0.25, line it up. You don't need all this if you don't want to. And multiply. You can do it that way. The other way of thinking about it is saying it out loud. Use the word of. What is 1/4? Isn't that what 25 cents is? Yeah. What's 1/4 of 12? Or what's 1/4 of 12? 3, right? So the answer here is D is equal to 3. I bet you could do this one in your head. You can certainly multiply 16 times 0.5. You can do it that way. Or you could say, what's 1/2? Isn't that what 0.5 is? What's 1/2 of 16? 8. So here, M is equal to 8. Okay, so go back. Put an 8 in for M. What's 8/16? That's the same as a half, which is the same as 0.5 or 5/10, right? Go back, put the 3 in for the D. 3/12 is the same as 1/4, and 1/4 is the same as 25/100. Boom. Okay, 1 4/10 divided by 2/10 is totally equal to 7. So we took problems that, because of those decimals, looked harder. We realized we talked them out and they're just not that bad, right? All right. See you next time.